So we are entering the house. So you're saying it's quite old.
Yeah, this is 350 plus years old house. And I'm the sixth generation living here.
Oh.
Yeah, the basic structure we left it as it is. I mean, the walls, it's all made of mud. So they used to add the cow dung, limestone, mud with jaggery and mix it, leave it to, I mean, the mixture, and then we just dump and build these walls. So
Okay.
that's why it is quite strong in the red oxide and everything. So we've done quite a bit of renovation, but the basic structure is as it is.
Nice. Yeah.
Please
Looks.
come, please come. See, this is actually, can you guess what this is?
This is that instrument, right?
This is a buttermilk
okay,
tie a
okay.
rope and then just churn it, this thing.
Nice.
And he is Mr. Kuvempu. He is a very famous poet in Karnataka. He's the first Jnanapith awardee.
Okay.
So his house is near Tirtharalli. Now they've turned it into a museum.
Okay.
So he's a very popular poet, and he's written amazing books on Malnad and it's a mixture of everything: wildlife, nature, people in general.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
And superstitions about all of that. Yeah.
Nice.
Please come.
Thank you.
This is our puja room. So we have 2 rooms inside which we use for ourselves.
Nice.
And my dad has got quite a bit of antique collections. He has a fund for all those brass antiques. Just collecting. Go ahead.
Wow.
Take this out. It's not completely clean.
No.
Just keep this part
Hmm.
because it's all clothes. This thing.
It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And this is where we go to.
Okay. We reach here.
Yeah, we reached here.
And this I like to quite a lot.
This actually we have done it with kind of a 3D concept.
Yeah, that's
Since
good.
we work with a lot of kids, I wanted to give them, just a picture of how it is, what it was back then. So that is basically, even when I was kid, we were using that. That is to make buttermilk. And there is one container inside through which you take butter. And that is to make rice powder basically. You
Yes.
put rice and then just turn it.
Yes.
And then this is actually tire.
Yeah. When we were kid, we used to do that.
That one is Lagori. The stones someone has taken out of it.
Okay.
So we put 7 stones and throw the ball. So Lagori.
Yes.
So we call it.
Lattu we call it.
Yes. That's
Nice.
flowing.
Okay, so you can see a very beautiful inside area, and there we have a kitchen. So I will show you the kitchen even. Yeah. So this is the dining area. This I like that structure, the wooden one. Nice. A lot of photography, as Shashank was mentioning, that they also encourage wildlife photography. So you can see a lot of insects pictures here.
Johnson?
So a lot of animals. Oh, this is good. I mean, the long list. Oh, we can
So
see.
in 2018, so we were actually, IRTA, Indian Responsible Tourism Award. So we were recognized under top 10 best wildlife stays in the country. So from Karnataka, 3 properties were shortlisted.
Oh,
One is ours, and one is Kadumane in Dandeli, and then one is Kabini Bison Resort.
yes.
So
Nice.
2018.
Congrats.
This is Kitavisma about a lot of insects. So GKVK from GKVK scientists,
Okay.
PhD students. So
Okay.
they keep coming here on their research work. So Mr. Yashwant HOD, who was HOD of entomology, he had gifted us this, and that was given by Rainforest Research Station.
I can see
Nice.
that
Yeah, that was during our children camp.
Yeah,
so,
that fashionable, that Cuba cap.
yeah.
Nice. Okay.
We covered?
Yeah, we covered. Okay, so thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Shashank, for this wonderful walkthrough of your home.
My pleasure.
It was very nice and insightful, and it made us to gallow down to the rich traditional heritage of your family, of this rich culture of Agumbi.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. My
Thanks.
pleasure.